Hi everybody. So today we're going to be reviewing a product from Fat Dragon Games. It is the papercraft terrain set known as Ravenfell. It's awesome. I paid $7.50. It's half off right now through Drive-Thru RPGs. You can go to their website to check it out, see all their papercraft products. They also have some 3D printing files. If you have a 3D printer, you can purchase. And they have a cool Dragon Lock system for both. I built mine a little bit differently though. So their system is designed, if you want to build it that way, to interlock with each other. You can build it multiple different ways and then take it back apart for storage, which I think is a great idea. However, I would find taking it apart, putting it together a little bit time consuming. And I want to put these on display with my miniatures. I've got a bunch of those coming in this week for my Frostgrave and for Kings of War. So I really wanted to get up some terrain really quick. And they have this wonderful set. They have another core set. Can't remember the name of the other core set. It's on my wish list. But both of the core sets are the same price. Each one's different, so there's different buildings in each one. And like I said, they're customizable. You can make changes. So they give you in the PDF, you have layers which you can turn on and off. So if you don't want this bindage on here, you can turn that off. They have different textures for the walls. It's amazing how much you can get out of it. Now, mine's freaking solid. I mean, this is 100% solid because I used cereal box card like I do with a lot of my paper craft projects now. I just use cereal box card, and it makes it really strong and rigid. And if the kids are playing with it, I don't have to worry. This falls on the floor, I don't have to worry. You don't have to weigh it down because the cardboard itself weighs this sucker down. And it's all rigid, not going anywhere. So it's not going to move on the table on me. Once it's down, it's going to be down. I'm going to have a felt mat, my felt tablecloth down, put this down on top of it. It's not going anywhere. This can be used not just for war games like Frostgrave and Kings of War, but you can use these in your D&D sessions. So that's another reason. So there's 3 games right there that you can use these for. These are going to come in handy, as well as display. If you're into the train hobby, you might like these. I don't know the whole scale with trains and all that stuff, but if you want some cheap buildings, there you go. I know that some of the train hobbyists are actually getting into the papercraft buildings and stuff like that to make the hobby a little bit more achievable. Because we all spend our monies on like miniatures and other gaming systems and all this stuff. Terrain should be the last of our worries, and we have some great crafters out there that come up with things in their head. I have a few tutorials on here of how to make things. But I really like this idea. It comes out beautifully. It's got a nice coat of the Mod Podge on top of it just to seal everything in place. And it didn't take me long. And again, fully customizable. It's awesome. You can't go wrong. Check them out. Fat Dragon Games. You can go directly to their website. You purchase their products through Drive-Thru RPG, so if you're already a member or registered at Drive-Thru RPG, go check them out. They have a lot of great products, and we'll probably review a lot more. They also have a HeroClix 3D City set, which, since I play HeroClix, you know I'm going to have to get that too. And it's inexpensive. Your most expensive thing is the ink, but nowadays you can get your cartridges refilled for 20 bucks. And we buy from Costco's, they refill at Costco's. So it really, this is more inexpensive than me going out purchasing one building from Games Workshop or whatever, and then getting it home, assembling it, and then painting it, when I can print it out and then assemble it, and it's ready. It's good to go. I can throw this. I could have thrown this on the table last night. It only took me about maybe an hour to build, and dry time for Mod Podge, it doesn't take that long. Let it sit for an hour, 45 minutes. You're good to go. So this is awesome, and I have a speed build video for you guys, and I got, I believe I bought the deluxe core set, so I have 8 buildings in total. This is building number 1. I'm currently have building number 2 ready to go. I'm just going to press them overnight so that they are flat, and then tomorrow I'm going to be putting it together, and I will film that in a speed build as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, it maybe took me an hour to actually put this together. It's awesome, guys. I highly recommend it. Sturdy, durable. If you do it this way, if you're new to paper crafting, but you don't have cardstock, you could go out to the Dollar Tree and get their cheap poster board, and then glue your sheets of paper to that. You can print this directly out onto cardstock and then cut it out if you're new to paper crafting. But anyone that's dealt with paper crafting before, I recommend putting it onto cereal box card and get yourself some of these sturdy houses from Fat Dragon Games. Alright guys, here's the speed build video of house number 1. Enjoy.